what I was seeing is that market was already creating divergence on the smaller time frame. The cool thing about this is the fact that market came into my zone at the time I wanted it to. As you guys can see, the bigger time frame perspective, which is the 4-hour time frame, I wanted market to come into the zone. Okay, I wanted market to come into the zone. When market hit that zone, luckily it had the time that I trade, which is a New York session, and I was able to refine that entry. Now let me show you guys how I was able to refine that entry. The way that I was able to refine this entry was due to the fact of, one, market was in the zone that I wanted it to go into. Two, it was in my trading zone. And then it comes to confirmations. I was able to see liquidity. I was able to see liquidity down below, taking out liquidity, a quick move to the upside. And then this right here, the test, was perfect. It came right into my imbalance zone. I already knew that market was going to go down because of all the other confirmations. But due to the fact of me being able to refine it to lower time frame perspective, lower time frames, I was able to get a much tighter stop loss, right? And I was able to go ahead and refine that my stop loss would have been right above these highs right here because those were the new highs. So again, I hope you guys were able to enjoy this quick breakdown on GPUSD. I know it was a little bit too fast. Don't worry, I will be putting more confirmations out so that we guys can start sticking to them. I'll be putting, one confirmation here, one confirmation there, and then along the process, you guys will be able to see how exactly it is that you guys can put everything together. Because I really, really do want you guys to be able to confirm and overall adjust your guys' stop losses to refine them much better and have better risk rewards. Just imagine with this trade alone, if I was risking $5,000, you could have potentially gained $210,000 by risking $5,000 because of that risk reward. Right? If you're risking $1,000, you could potentially gain a $42,000, $43,000 right now, or potentially to the TP of $52,000 to $53,000 when it comes to that risk reward. Why? Because you're risking 1% to potentially gain the other percentage, in this case 41 and 42, right? That's the cool thing about risk reward. A lot of people look at it from a perspective of pips. I don't, because as every other investor, you want to look at things from a percentage perspective, not from a money perspective. The moment that you start seeing things from a money perspective, it's going to be a lot harder for you to manage your emotions. And that's actually going to be a video that I'll be talking about later on in the future on how to exactly manage your emotions and how it is that you guys can level up to these next stepping stones, because it's crucial to understand the psychological aspect and how to control it so that way you guys can see that level up. So if you guys have been liking these videos, if you guys want me to go do more of these, let me know in the comments below. As always, make sure to go ahead and like that bell down below, hit the bells, do all that other stuff that will help us increase this YouTube algorithm going much faster and much further to more people. That's all I ask from my end. So please, please, please make sure to smash that like button so that way you guys can help me with the YouTube algorithm. Hope to see you guys in the next one. Let me know what you want to see next, and have a great day.